Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Toyota RAV4. Stock number is 18C751A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio and cruise controls, full touch screen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this RAV4 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.